I put a feather in here so you can see what the feather does with air in the jar. And you can see it does kind of float slowly to the bottom of the jar as I turn it around. To remove the air in the jar, you just put this on all the way, put it over the lid, then press the button. And you can kind of hear as it's sucking the air out. All right, so it's taken the air out of the jar. We've got the lid on nice and secure. And here is the feather without any air in it. So you can kind of see the difference. And this is what the feather does when the air has been removed from the jar. I've got this slowed down to 25%. And on the left side, you can see the sealed jar. And on the right side, the not sealed jar. This sealer is a great way to put a seal on mason jars. A really cool thing about this, so it can do regular and it can do wide mouth mason jars. Another thing that's nice with this is the rubber gaskets do come out. So if you need to clean this over time, you can just pop these right out, put them back in after you've cleaned them. It's nice that these are easy to clean. And then when you're ready to make the seal, you just go ahead and you put the lid on. You press this down all the way, press the button. Then when you're done, you just take this off and you see now you've got a nice seal on the jar. Really quick and easy to use. This is how it comes packaged. It comes with 5 wide mouth lids and 5 regular, USB-C charging cable, and a can opener. Here is the sealer, and you can see it's got this kind of rubber seal around where you put the jar on, and a simple on-off button. The display is not very bright, but it does show the battery level when it is off, and when you want to turn it on, you just press the button one time and it will start the process. To use it, you just put the lid on the jar, and then you place this on top and press the button. Alright, looks like that is done. And you can see that is on there nice and tight. With the can opener, you can crack the seal. You can hear the air as it goes in. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I'm really happy with this. This is a great way to seal up mason jars. It works really quick and easy. Just a great addition to have in every kitchen.
Wow, I love this.